Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can show like the keyframe animation on CapCut PC. So for instance, you added a keyframe here and maybe like you zoomed in to like this bit right here, and then like here you kind of like went out of like the frame and it went something like this. And for instance, you want to show the keyframe animation, so just right click on your clip and it says show keyframe animation, and as you can see, you'll see like which of these that you use. It works for like adjustments as well. For instance, you want to only change the position, so you're just going to grab the keyframe position and you can move it, as you can see. I'm just going to press undo to put it back. And for like scale as well, you can like move it here. And we didn't have any for rotation, and you can actually add it in. For instance, you want to add like this to like rotate it. So we're just going to rotate that and stuff like that. Maybe like from here, add a keyframe here. And then here you'd want to like rotate it like slightly. It also works with like keyframe adjustments, I think. If you don't want to see this, just hide keyframe animation again. So if I go to adjustments, you can like keyframe adjustments, right? For instance, it went from like very saturated to like a black and white color. You can show keyframe animation here, but there's more because I only use saturation. You can add in highlight, shadow, etc, etc. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!